Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's 32 by 16 foot by 52 inch pool set with sand filter pump. Spend the hot summer cooling off by your Summer Wave's Elite 32-foot frame pool set. This pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. It comes with and includes 12-inch 110 to 120 volt filter pump, pool cover, ladder, and ground cloth. Product benefits. The swimming pool can set up in no time. Handles 14,921 gallons of water. Made of a durable triple-layer polyester mesh and a durable rust-resistant metal frame that will stand up to heavy use. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.